First, pass the DTF film through the powder shaking machine. Here you can see a row of air suction ports. Click Fan on the control panel to turn on the air suction. At this point, you can see that the film has been firmly adsorbed on the mesh belt. Then click Dusting on the control panel to turn on the dusting. You can see that the machine starts to dust. And the powder value on the panel starts to change. The value will gradually increase as time goes by. Now observe the value. When temp shows 126 degrees Celsius and powder shows 100, click Auto on the control panel. If the temperature has reached the set value but the mesh belt has not started working, it is because Link did not sense the DTF film in the automatic mode. Now Link starts working after sensing the DTF film. If the mesh belt does not work after printing, it is also because of this reason. At this time, cut off the DTF film so that the sensor can sense the film. At this time, you can turn off Link. Even if the film cannot be sensed, the mesh belt will still work. At this time, you don't need to consider the problem of sensing, just wait for the last DTF film to pass and dry it. In addition, when Link is turned off, the DTF film will still be firmly sucked. The suction at the winding position is still working. This is to prevent the DTF film from falling suddenly, causing the patterns to stick together.